So this is the part of your living area. Have a look at the beautiful interior with the platforms. So here's your master bedroom, your peace after your chaotic day. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Embassy Green Shore, which is located in Sadahalli, North Bangalore, a project developed by Embassy Group. And today we are here to check out the 4 BHK model flat. So basically they have different variants in 4 BHK, in which the larger variant has 4 BHK with maid's room as well. So today we'll be checking out the 4 BHK which also includes with maid's room. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers, so book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So I'm standing in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of the project and the land parcel is just in few meters right from the here. So this internal road of the township will take you towards the land parcel in few meters. Now let's start with the project overview, and the project is spread across 14 acres of land parcel consisting of 8 towers with each tower of basement, ground plus 18 floors, and this project provides you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK with different variant premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like of gymnasium, kids play area, jogging track, grand clubhouse, swimming pool and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Navratna Agrahara Road close to Prestige Tech Cloud in Sadahalli, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the internal road of the township and the entrance is right here just behind this road. Now about this road will connect you towards the NH 44 in just few meters and towards the Prestige Tech Clouds. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So NH44 is just 8 minutes away, Prestige Forum Mall is 10 minutes away from the project. Dudhajala Metro Station is 12 minutes away and Prestige Tech Cloud is 5 minutes from the location of the project. This is your 4 BHK model flat which has its own maid's room as well of 2570 square feet super built up area. So basically here's the main entrance of your house and just beside it, here's the maid's room with a separate entry and exit. This room is much more spacious, comes with a window as well and its private washroom area. So here's the window for ventilation and lighting purpose and a washroom which comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now let's move further towards the main entrance. So once you enter, here's the grand entrance which comes with the digital door lock for your security and the massive foyer area. So you can add up your shoe rack over here. And this is the space, the massive foyer area which takes you towards your elegant living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area which is much more beautiful, and you can even look out at the interior work which is done for your reference. So basically this living area is connected to the balcony. So here's the balcony, that is the deck area which comes with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, and here will be the toughened glass railing as well. So as you can check out, they have added up the bar table over here. You can do your own decors. Now let's move further towards your dining area. So exactly in front of the kitchen area, they are coming up with the dining area right over here. You can add up your huge dining table right in front of the kitchen area with the easy access. So here's the entrance for your kitchen area, and once you enter the kitchen, you can have a look at the beautiful interior with the platforms, the cabinet. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Now moving further towards your bedroom space, so your bedroom number 1 is right over here. So once you enter your bedroom, here's a foyer area again for your privacy for this bedroom as there is no direct bed space. And once you enter, right here is your huge bed space in front of the TV unit. Beside it is a dressing area. And yes, here's a window. The fully French window. Once you open it, they have provided the toughened glass railing again, and it gets converted into the Juliet balcony, that is a stunning balcony, giving you a perfect view of the nature. Here's the wardrobe set. And now let's move further towards your washroom area. So right here is your private washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2. So your bedroom number 2 is right over here, which they have converted into the study room, into the workspace, the studio room, which you can call it. So basically, you can use this room in a multi-purpose way like they have did. And this room is much more spacious. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose again, and even you can convert this window into the Juliet balcony. And with the easy access to it, right here is your common washroom. The common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 3, so you have to take this passage area, and right here next to your bedroom number 2 comes your bedroom number 3. So the interior speaks out that this is your kids' bedroom, the spacious and the beautiful one with a bed space, wardrobe space. And again, the full French window which gets converted into the stunning balcony, that is a Juliet balcony. Even they have added up a study table right here, showing you how you can manage your space. And here's your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So again, we'll be taking this passage area, and the passage area ends here with the master bedroom, and here starts the foyer area for your master bedroom. So here's your master bedroom, your piece after your chaotic day, and here's your master bed right in the center of your room. And now, not just a stunning balcony. So here they have provided with a perfect deck area, the perfect huge balcony, which comes with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, giving you two-side open view. Moving inside, right here you can set your dressing area with the TV unit space as well. And even this master bedroom comes with the walk-in wardrobe space. Isn't it beautiful and spacious? Connected with your washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Here the bathing space is separated via tile drop to avoid the water spillage. So this was all about your 4 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.